For me, para siyang retreat. As in, 3 weeks in a remote town with a beautiful river and a beautiful church and very kind-hearted people. Sobra talaga siyang, parang yung soul ko talaga, parang busog na busog dun sa 3 weeks namin na yun. And of course, mga kids singing, no, together. Swerte ako na I got to experience just for a little bit yung feeling of living in Lobok. Not only were we able to shoot in the locations, parang na-enjoy din namin siya. There was one day na nag-break kami from filming. So, we agreed na itong day na to was going to be a rest day for everyone. So, we went back to the location kung saan may mga eksena na lumalangoy yung mga bata. Tapos pupunta kami doon, tapos nag-swimming kami, tapos nagpabudol yung crew and stuff, no? So, yun, that was a very memorable experience.